Whole roasted cauliflower makes for a great side dish for family-style dinners because it is tasty yet easy to prepare. Generously drizzle extra virgin olive oil all over the cauliflower and do the same with salt. Spoon some pesto over the top and spread it all over the cauliflower to get the pesto into the little grooves. I'm using a store-bought pesto calabrese, but you can use any other variation of pesto or marinade that you like to add flavor to the cauliflower. In a wide, heavy bottom pot that's large enough to hold the cauliflower, bring some salted water to a rolling boil and add the cauliflower. Then place the pot into an oven, preheated to 200 degrees Celsius or 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Starting after about 20 minutes of roasting, glaze the cauliflower with the juices collected at the bottom of the pot. This keeps the cauliflower moist and it continues to reintroduce the flavor of the pesto or marinade to the cauliflower as it cooks. Continue doing this at every 10 to 15 minutes intervals. After about an hour of roasting, the cauliflower should have started to brown slightly on the outer edges and it should be thoroughly cooked through. Remove the pot from the oven and glaze it again before covering the top with grated cheese. Parmesan is a good option here, but you can use any semi-hard or hard cheese that you like. But if cheese doesn't work for you, just omit it completely. Return the pot to the oven to bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese has melted and starts to brown slightly. Then remove the pot from the oven and using a spatula and a tong, lift the whole cauliflower out of the pot and onto a serving plate. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley or any herb of your choice. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you.